I'm surprised that there's such a gap between, like you said, 50,000 to $1 million. That's a like big range. I would expect that the range to be smaller. You talked about Zambia Angel Network, so you guys are specializing in this gap, or maybe on the like you are the enthusiasts in the beginning.
Yeah, great question. So the investment network basically just focuses on bridging that very gap, the very early stage capital. Because remember, angel investors get to typically focus on just after the friends, family, enthusiast rounds. That's where you get to see a bit more angel investment also stepping in. Right before we get to the some venture capital firms that have been playing also a key role to the growth of the startups that we will talk about later as well.
Hmm.
The Zambia Angel Network as well is just focusing anything below 100K. So far, that's what we've seen. Nothing yet above 100K. And that's where we're seeing them play a key role. Past that, we have seen some interest from venture capital firms that are now looking at different African markets. I'll be happy to talk about them. Some focus within Southern African region, some across the entire continent. Some have got their own impact metrics that they really focus on and very passionate about. And they will not bend for anyone unless they see that you're focused on solving some of the problems that they are looking towards. So that's what the Angel Investment Network currently looks at. I was just trying to check for you as well, just to give you an appreciation that this particular challenge is not just uh, a Zambia or Africa specific problem, but if I was to narrow it down in Zambia, the current gap for financing for SMEs is at about 1.3 billion US dollars.